All right, we are live. So thank you, everybody. This is now our third Flash Dev Q&A, first of quarter two. I've got Deepak and Akash on the line. Say hi, guys.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
All right. So I think let's just go ahead and get to the question that's kind of on everyone's mind. The new white paper, the blockchain upgrades, and everything else in between. So, Deepak, do you want to go ahead and get us started?
Yeah, sure. So, let me start with all the overview of what thing happened in this month till now. So, we released LTC, the web wallet, and work on BCH is in progress. Before BCH, we would be adding Dash very soon. So which we might see by before the end of this month. If that's the plan is. So after that the BCH, and then Ethereum would be followed after that. So the adding of multi cryptocurrencies in the web wallet is in progress, and it's been going well. And after Ethereum is done, I probably it's up to the community people what they want to put into the web wallet. So that's pretty much for the multi-currency support in the web wallet. Apart from that, we are also working on our next step is after the blockchain upgrade is done in the web wallet, adding import and export of private keys, basically giving the access to the users. So that's the major features which we are going to add for this quarter. All right, then moving to the mobile app, Android app is going well, and we just released 1.5 yesterday with some UI features and some improvements. But the major changes would be adding LTC and BTC to the mobile app in the Android app by the end of this month. Apart from that, the iOS it's already. It was submitted to the to the Play Store, but Apple Store, sorry, and but they didn't approve Flash iOS app wallet, so that's a little unfortunate. And anyways, we will be appealing again, for them to approve it. So let's see, we hope for the best. Going to the blockchain upgrade, we are already done all the work and we have tested it, and things are working nice. We are upgrading to LTC base core, version 0.13.3, stable version, and we'll have all the features. A lot of features are there, and which is going to benefit for us, improve further on the web wallet, new features. And also when we go decentralized, those things are going to help us a lot in implementing many things.
So Deepak, just real quick to just kind of recap for everybody. So right now, Flash Web Wallet has, of course, the ability to store Flashcoin in there. They also have the ability to store Bitcoin or BTC. They also have the ability to store Litecoin, LTC, and we're going to be rolling out Bitcoin Cash as well as Dash, it sounds like, and then in May or June, then we'll have Ethereum available on there as well.
Yes.
Perfect.
So I'm looking forward for Ethereum in May. Before that, BCH would be there.
Yep. Perfect.
Uh, I think, all right. Then, basically, our new website was launched, and then we have been issuing the new design for all the other components like Explorer. We finished Explorer and also Blog, and I think by 30th of this month we would be releasing the new design for the Flash Web Wallet along with multi-language support. That's it pretty much, for, I mean, yeah, we can move the question and answer, and probably I can answer more.
Sure. So we've got we've got a couple here that Stacks was able to get from the community. So let's just go ahead and go through those and kind of discuss those. So the first question that comes in is, does the short block time of Flash suffer from the common problem that all short block time coins have, which is orphaned nodes? The user says, from what I hear, short block time coins need more centralization to prevent orphan nodes. So one, I think kind of speak to our current architecture, but then also speak to pieces of the upcoming architecture and how it maybe solves that problem.
Yeah, so in our current, it's I mean, more like a single centralized system, right? Right now. So speaking about in the new system, we are solving that, and when the white paper is released, we have already solved that. In when the white paper is released, people can see how we are doing that. So we definitely don't have this issue with the short block time.
Okay. Next question that we had is, he touched on the iOS app being submitted, and I know from just kind of internally, Apple didn't like it. Have we gone ahead and made changes to the application description and submitted it again, and now it's waiting for their approval?
Not yet. We would be doing it. Once we have the BTC and LTC. So probably I think first week of May, we would be submitting again. With the changes done, and let's hope they approve it.
Yep. I think everybody's anxious to have both ecosystems. Although we're coming real close here in the not so distant future to where the Flash web wallet will just do everything. All right.
Yeah.
So next question, and this has actually been talked about by a lot of people, and hopefully you and Akash can kind of speak to this. When will the Flash web wallet have an automated calculator for US dollar, euro, or other local currencies, as well as other cryptocurrencies? The question kind of is surrounding, instead of having to always go out and use third-party tools, when will the Flash web wallet have a calculator to be able to calculate between local fiat currencies as well as other cryptocurrencies?
We'll get it very soon. I apologize. We somehow missed this feature. So let me get this done in the month of May. As soon as we can. So we'll have it on the Wave wallet as well as mobile app.
Okay, great. Next question comes really kind of the two-part question. Sounds like the blockchain upgrade to the latest Litecoin core on the testnet has gone well. when is that due to be released um, to our production mainnet?
Yeah, so by 30th, we would be upgrading the mainnet. And that's our target basically. So we'll finish that by the end of this month.
Okay, great. And the follow up for that is the question, of course, that everybody's been wondering about is the date that you guys have in mind for the white paper release. Can you talk a little bit about what you guys have been testing, what's kind of made the cut, and what kind of what we can hopefully expect in that?
Yeah, so so for the design is ready, and we have done all the basic stuff, and basically we have the decentralized Flash, whole design and the architecture ready. What we plan is, we had this plan of releasing to everyone by 30th of this April. However, we thought let's have more reviews, get more reviews from people before we make it public. So we will be doing releasing a pre-release, of white paper by the end of this month to inner circle, some people in the community, and of course other people who are kind of blockchain expert and who are in the crypto world for a long time. So getting different views for everyone, on the new white paper, and then we make it public, probably. I think another maybe 10 days. And as soon as we are all satisfied, we release it.
Okay, and just for anybody who has been living under a rock or on Mars for the past, I don't know, couple weeks or months, the white paper is going to include details on the governance nodes, potentially the delegated proof of work, potentially delegated proof of stake, all that kind of fun stuff.
Yes, it will have all the information, and we are trying our best that, anyone should be able to understand it, very easily. Yeah, and it has everything. So, Akash, would you like to throw some light on it, about, what we are using and how we are basically, some hints on what is going to be?
Yeah, sure. As far as the governance structure goes, in terms of the governance nodes and having delegated proof of work, what we have gone with is actually made the process more democratic, in the sense that we are giving. I'm giving you a sneak preview of the white paper here, but basically what we have done is we are thinking of providing the voting rights for the the new blockchain features, as well as for choosing the miner or the delegate nodes to pretty much every Qt user. So that's a very big change in our approach, and in a way we are making the process more democratic in allowing every user to be involved in the community proposals, as well as for choosing the delegate nodes. And when I say delegate nodes, I mean people who would be a part of the pool for the mining. So yeah, a lot of those changes have happened in terms of the design, and I hope all of these changes will make the process more open, not closed.
Yeah, that's a great point, Akash, because I think one of the other things, kind of the bullet points for the blockchain upgrade that I think people are curious about is, one, moving to this type of structure is going to ensure that, one, we're more decentralized, and two, that we have a more community-based focus and allowing people to really have their voice be heard. And three, that we remain fully open source, right? Because we want to have the partnerships grow and expand with all of our new features that are coming. So very exciting stuff.
Absolutely.
A couple more questions here, and then we'll just kind of open it up for regular Q&A with people on. What has the team been working on, the development team specifically, that's been either, development, web, feature addition, or whatever else like that you've been most excited about, but potentially has also been your most challenging work over the past couple of weeks?
The development team, I see the most challenging part is moving Flash to decentralized system, along with, keeping the characteristics of Flash same, it's really challenging, plus securing it. So yeah, that's something, we have been working along, for a couple of months actually, and it's been challenging at the same time. It's been exciting also, like, once we see now it's possible to, be completely decentralized and then at the same time be fast. So yes, we have actually able to achieve that. So yes, that's the one thing, I see most challenging. Then the devs are basically then, they everyone has their own thing to work on. So the guys on Wave Wallet and mobile, they are working on that and doing good, as I see. So Akash, would you like to add something on that?
Yeah, no, as you said, like the most challenging the most challenging task for us was to decentralize while keeping the fast transaction speed as well as having a high scalability. So, and I think we have been able to address and solve the issues that come with decentralizing the fast system. And when the white paper comes out in the next couple of weeks at the most, everyone would be able to see how we are solving those design issues. And of course, as you said, like some of our community leaders and blockchain experts have already gotten a sneak preview of the white paper, and they will be able to comment and provide us more feedback on any other improvements.
Right, and I think kind of the follow-up question to that is, with all these changes and everything that's coming out with the Flash web wallets, upgrades, and changes to the blockchain core code, I'm assuming we're going to have to download a new Qt wallet, right, to enable these new features?
Yes.
Yes, but just for now, it's fine. There won't be any significant changes. And later we add more features to the Qt wallet. As we. But right now, you won't see such changes on the Qt interface side.
Right, and I think that was the main point of the question was, kind of everyone's coins are going to be safe on the Qt wallet, but new features will be unlocked on a new version of the Qt wallet when the blockchain upgrade comes out.
Yes, everyone coin is safe, so they don't have to worry, we have the backward compatibility, so in case someone doesn't upgrade, then he's also still, there's nothing to worry.
Great. All right. Well, that's the end of our general questions. Just kind of a brief, high-level summary recap. Flash Web Wallet obviously is going to be getting updated here with Bitcoin Cash. as well as Dash and Ethereum here in the next coming weeks. So that's going to be really awesome. Sounds like the white paper is going through final checks and balances. The Flash internal team will be doing a internal audit and review, as well as kind of a peer reviewed within the blockchain and cryptocurrency community. And so we're hoping to have that in the early weeks of May. And then obviously some details we heard tonight about some of the things that are coming in the white paper, and as well as the different features within the QT wallet to be able to unlock those new features on the new blockchain mainnet. So very cool stuff. All right, well, I think we'll just go ahead and wrap that up. Deepak, Akash, thank you so much for your guys' time. Happy Friday over in that part of the world. And thanks again for your time, and looking forward to that white paper.
Thanks, Aaron. Thanks so much for all your support and all the community people, supporting us. Yeah, we'll hope soon. We should be releasing the white paper very soon. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, everyone.